Hello everyone, this is Deepak Sundaram. I'm product designer and today whatever we are going to present here, it's based on my own opinion or not of my employer. Today we are going to talk about the most exciting and interesting topic, which is design thinking. Design thinking. This has been the buzzword across industry and design enthusiasts. So how did this design thinking has been evolved? So I will tell you a real-time example. 10 years back, we haven't seen this much turfs or badminton courts or even tennis courts across the metropolitan city specifically. So how this happened? 10 years back, we had a lot of place to play. Even we played in roadsides, right? But now we don't have the space to play. And parents are concerned about their kids' safety. So all these factors playing an important role of evolving this infrastructure, which is the sports arena. And this has not happened overnight. So this process has been evolved over a period of time with structural and very trial and tested method of design thinking. So design thinking is not just happen with the real-time examples. You take any app in your mobile like Uber, Ola, Swiggy, Zomato, all apps you are using because they have applied this design thinking methodology because they know your problems and that's why you are using it right now. So today in our video, we are going to explain more about design thinking and its detailed steps. Design thinking is a 5-step process. Empathize, define, ideate, prototype and test. It's not a linear one but iterative process. The first and most important step in design thinking process is empathize. Empathize is nothing but understanding the user needs, their problems and pain points. For example, let's take a real-time example of MRI scans. MRI scan has been the greatest innovation of medical industry. But was it resonating the same with the kids? No. Kids were scared of it because of its large size and the sound came from it. Even the medical practitioners and staffs were having a very hard time handling the kids and also to cooperate them for the test, because they were very scared of it. So how this problem has been solved? So the GE Electronics team has involved the design team who's implemented the design thinking process and transformed this complete scanning atmosphere into a ship wreckage where kids are very friendly to it and attracted towards it. So after that, kids were happily cooperated for the scans and also it helped them to complete the scans quickly as possible. So this is where the design thinking plays an important role. Also, whatever the greatest innovation you do, unless until you empathize, it goes in vain. The second step of design thinking process is define. Define the problem. There is a saying that well-defined problem is half solved. In our story, we have an aspiring musician, Mitra. Mitra plays a soulful tune in local cafe. But there is one problem. Her guitar case is very bulk. But how she is solving the problem, let's see in the next step. The third step of design thinking process is ideate. We have seen that Mitra is facing a problem with her guitar. One day she was playing her guitar in the breezy ECR beach. At that point of time, she was thinking about multiple solutions. Ideation stage, sky is the limit for your imaginations. She thinks that collapsible guitar would be a nice idea for her. Or even a drone to carry her case. That would be a handy solution, right? In ideation stage, the quantity of the idea is more important than the quality of the idea. The fourth and next step of the design thinking process is prototype. Mitra has also created a prototype. What she did? She has discussed with her friends and fellow musicians and she has also looked around for the musician workshop and musical shops for finding the perfect case for her guitar. What happened? She has created a prototype and it miserably failed. Here we comes to the final and fifth step of design thinking process, which is test. Mitra has also took her guitar prototype to a cafe shop, but the customers, instead of annoyed, they have loved the innovation spirit and they have applauded for her. That's what more matters, right? We learn from our failures, we improve them, and finally the results will give us a success. That's what happened to Mitra as well. The sixth and final step, which is not part of the design thinking process, is repeat. Yes, you have to repeat the process until you become perfect. Mitra has also refined her prototype until it became perfect and her prototype became the worldwide hit like Imagine Dragon Believer song. Yes, Mitra is also a believer of design thinking process and you could also believe that. So my dear friends and colleagues, We have come to the end of this video. In this video, we have seen that what is design thinking and how it works for the real-time examples. Design thinking is also like creating a heartwarming melody, right? So you have to define your audience and understand their needs and test your prototypes or the melodies until you hit the right chord. So thanks for watching this video. For more UX related content, visit kasadara.school. Thank you.